guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my April's favorites? No, Ziya's April favorites. I'm just gonna get started so that I don't have like this unnecessarily long intro. Okay, so the first thing I have here is this face razor. I've been using these for years because I have been shaving my face, yes, shaving my face, for years because I grow a lot of facial hair, unfortunately. I would look like a lumberjack if I let it go, okay? It's not pretty, it's not nice. I don't like it. The rumor has been forever that if you shave your hair, it's going to grow back thicker. In my case, no. I did not notice that happening. My hair does grow in, but it doesn't grow in thicker than it used to. I even touch up my brows using this because I don't go to anybody and have them touch my brows. I do it myself. You guys can even like kind of tell how I do it. It's like right there, right there. That's all I gotta do. And then I go underneath with tweezers instead of going in with the razor because that scares me a little bit. One slip of the hand and either my eye is gone or half of my eyebrow, so that's not gonna happen. Actually, when I was in high school, which was the last time I had anybody do my eyebrows, my sister was waxing my eyebrows for me. She would always wax my eyebrows because she had the kit, and so I would always ask her to do my eyebrows when I felt like they were getting unruly. The last time she ever did my eyebrows, she was on the phone with either her boyfriend or her boyfriend's mother, and she wasn't paying that much attention, and she like waxed off like half or like 3/4 of my eyebrow. Like it was all gone. I didn't know what to do with myself. I didn't know anything about makeup, so I was trying to draw on an eyebrow, and instead of having my eyebrow drawn on right, I would just hide my whole face. Who needs to see? Not me. I've been scarred for life, and that is why nobody touches my eyebrows except for me. I get them off Amazon. They're the Pixie eyebrow razors. I'm going to link everything down below for you guys so you can find it too. Moving on. So, I am a big fan of skincare, especially because I don't want to age too fast. Lately, my skin hasn't been really great because I go in between taking really good care of myself and not taking any care of myself because of emotional issues. And so, I feel like my under eyes have been a bit worse than they used to be. I feel like there's more lines under there, like at least like one brand new line that's coming in being like, hello, we're joining the party too. We weren't invited, but we're here. I decided to invest in the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I believe this is supposed to be for all over the face. I mainly concentrate on my under eyes. Another thing that's really popular from Kiehl's is the avocado oil eye treatment. I believe that's what it's called. Kylie Jenner said in something that that's what she uses on her under eyes, so it got a really big cult following after that. I've only put it on my hand and it felt really odd, but I'm really considering trying it. I really like this stuff. I just put a little bit right under each eye, tap it in, and then take whatever's left and put it in between my brows and on my forehead. It is very pricey. I don't remember how much I paid, but I know I paid more than I would like to. But I've been using it for 2 months and it still looks full because you really don't need a lot. And I've got a big face and I don't use that much of it. So if you got a smaller face than me, honey, it's gonna last a very long time for you, and you're not gonna have to repurchase this for a while. It says it lasts 18 months on the little thingy back here, the expiration thing. Says that it lasts for 18 months. So I feel like this is easily going to last me 2 years. Like, and that is more than 18 months. Okay, that's 24 months. This is supposed to last 1.5 years. But I think it's going to last a really, really long time. So if you guys are interested, I highly suggest it. You can also get a smaller size. But it was just more cost effective for me to buy the big one. You get more for your money. So yeah, that's that. My next skincare item, because I am obsessed with taking care of my skin, is the Badescu Honey Moisturizer. This is actually for dry skin and I have very oily skin. However, whenever I'm not taking the best care of my skin, or I'm using things that are too harsh for my skin, or eating things that are drying out my skin, or drinking things that are drying out my skin, anything, this lower portion of my face, like starting from my nose down, it gets really, really dry. Like my chin, you can definitely tell, like around my lips and around my chin, just right here, it gets really, really dry when I'm not taking care of it properly. So since I wasn't taking care of my skin properly for a while, it got really dry. So I started using the Badescu Honey Moisturizer, which is supposed to be for dry skin. It's supposed to be really good to moisturize. It feels really good. It's so soft. It feels so nice on the face, and it smells good. Like, it just has a really light scent to it. I don't believe there's any fragrance added. I don't see any added fragrance in here, so that's good. It just has, also Badescu is cruelty free, so that is something that I also like. Is Kiehl's cruelty free? I don't think Kiehl's is cruelty free. Oh no. Well, now I'm having second, third, and fourth thoughts, and I'm not happy with myself at the moment. But really good stuff. If you guys have dry skin, I highly recommend this. My next favorite is this strawberry body butter from the Body Shop. 24-hour intense moisture for dry skin with cold pressed strawberry seed oil. I just like it because it makes my skin feel really soft, and it smells really good. I just got a new one, that's why it looks like this. And it's just so nice and soft, like anything to make my skin feel good, honey. I am a fan. Okay, really big fan. Especially because I'm 27 now. I feel like I haven't taken the best care of the skin on my body, so I'm trying to focus a little bit more on that. Take a little bit more time to apply body oil and put on my lotion and take care of my feet and everything, because I want my skin to look nice. Even if like I'm heavier, at least my skin will look nice, you know what I mean? So really gotta take more care of my skin all over, not just my face but everywhere else. So this is a really big help for that, and it smells really good. But also, like, don't eat it. Pretty sure that's what that means. I usually get it from Ulta whenever Ulta is having a sale on the Body Shop stuff, because I feel like the Body Shop doesn't have really good sales usually, but Ulta always ends up having a sale on the Body Shop items. So if you look at Ulta, you can usually find them for a little less than you would anywhere else. My next favorite of the month is this lipstick from Colourpop. It's the Ariel lipstick from the Colourpop Disney collection, Disney Princess collection, because they just came out with the villain collection. I got everything from that too, and everything is absolutely beautiful. So I've never been a fan of this type of lipstick, like the kind that's a bullet. I've always liked liquid lipsticks, liquid matte lipsticks, but these I have never liked because I always felt like they moved around too much, or they just didn't wear really well. But for some reason this one, and the ones from Colourpop in general that I've tried, they have good lasting power, and that's great for me. And I don't know if it's supposed to be matte, but it looks matte. It's like a moisturizing matte. You see it there? It's just, it's so pretty. I love this color. It's kind of like a Your Lips But Better shade, which is great for me because lately I've been trying to have like more natural lips. I usually like to overline my lips and go with like a really deep color. I was looking for a different word to use. Oh, shade. With like a deeper shade, like Kylie's Ginger and Pumpkin were my two favorites. I still have them, but I don't reach for them as often because I'm trying to be a little bit lighter with my makeup. As you guys can tell. Can you tell? No, you can't because I have a lot of makeup on. But this lipstick lasts really well. It looks beautiful. They have a ton of different colors, and I am a really big fan. Moving on. My next favorite is for my nails. As you guys can see, my nails are pretty long and they don't look very pretty right now because I dyed my hair. I got hair dye all over my nails and my nails are stained blue. They don't look good, but they are long. Like, get over the color of them and just notice that they are long. And I do kind of have stiletto nails or like mountain peak nails. I don't think they're long enough to begin. People are loud today. I don't think my nails are... Like I was saying, I don't think my nails are long enough to be considered stiletto nails, but they are pointies, like mountain peak nails, I think is what they would be considered. I don't know, but my nails are always pointed because I feel like it slims my fingers, because I got size 11 fingers, honey. They are big fingers. They're not long, but they are very chubby, so I do like having pointed nails. I do like having them fairly long for natural nails. The last time I had acrylics put on, I was 17, I think. So it's been 10 years since I last got acrylics put on my nails. I don't do fake nails. It's not my thing. Simply because I want my natural nails to be healthy. Because back when I used to get acrylics done all the time, my nails would get very brittle. I wouldn't be able to grow them, and it just felt very like paper thin. It was not good. So I keep my nails natural, and in order to keep them strong, I use the OPI Nail Envy. This stuff has worked really, really well. I haven't broken a nail ever since the beginning of the year. Like I said, I grow them long and they are natural, so having something to keep them strong and keep them from breaking is really important to me, especially because if one breaks, I can't take it. I have to cut the rest of them. My next favorites are my face rollers. This one is a stone Jade Roller. Feels so nice. So nice. You're actually not supposed to go back and forth. You're just supposed to go in one direction so that you're pushing whatever fullness you have away. And I also have this pink one that I recently got from TJ Maxx, which looks beautiful. I love the color. However, this is actually plastic. This is stone. And I got this from Daiso like 5, maybe 6 years ago. I've had this for so long, and I used to go like 6 months at a time without using it. But now, I'm just gonna keep on going. I keep them in the freezer. I use them in the morning. I use them at night. I am using them throughout the day right now because it's super hot today and I can't take it. But these are really, really good. They're good for inflammation in your face, and I have a very, very full face. So God didn't give me full lips, but He gave me a full face overall. Thank you. But they are really good to help inflammation, get rid of any puffiness in the face. And also, I did hear that it does help to make your skin absorb products better. I don't know how true that is, but that's what it says it does, and I'm just going to follow it. You can get these off Amazon. You can get them in different stores. You can find them at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. I got mine from Daiso before they became really popular in the US, so I was able to get this one that's actually real stone for maybe like $3 at Daiso, which is a Japanese dollar store in the United States. I don't know where else they are, but I do know that we have them here in California. So one side of mine is actually prickly, kind of looks like a derma roller, and then this side is a smooth jade. So I'm really happy with this. I also have a jade comb looking thing, and that would also be used for facial massages. I never really got into that one because I felt like it would always tug at my skin whenever I tried to massage it. Probably because I was just being too rough, so if I started again, I would probably be able to do a better job. But I love these rollers. This one a little bit more than this one. This color is beautiful, but the actual quality of this one is so much better. And it holds the temperature a lot better. Since this is plastic, it gets warmer faster than this one does. This one takes a while longer to get warm, so I am able to roll my face with a cool roller for a much longer time. Alright guys, my next favorite is of course Arctic Fox hair color. You guys know I dye my hair all the time. I'm always trying a new hair color. I just love having new shades to play with. I just love it. And so I don't understand why I've never had Arctic Fox in one of my favorites videos. At least I don't believe I have. Arctic Fox is a semi-permanent hair color. It's supposed to last 40 washes. It's vegan and cruelty free, and it smells like candy. You guys, you can't go wrong. I've heard some people say that it doesn't stick to their hair, it doesn't work, but I've been using it since 2017. Yeah, that's right. I've been using it since like the middle of 2017. I've tried so many different hair colors since then. Every time I've used Arctic Fox, it has worked. Usually it doesn't end up working in the way that I expect because I'm not very good at mixing colors and predicting how it's going to turn out. But in the end, I really, really like all of my hair colors. So Well, except for the gray, but that wasn't even Arctic Fox. That was because I was using a different conditioner that was color depositing, and I wasn't really happy with the gray that was going on with my hair. But right now I have Blue Jean Baby and it's Sunset Orange, so these are going to be colors that I'm going to do my hair later on. Really, really excited for it, and it just smells so good. Like, I pick up the box and like I can just smell the goodness in this. I love it. This is not sponsored. I just really love their products, and so if you guys are interested in trying out a new hair color, highly suggest Arctic Fox. They're great. And my last two favorites are both books. I was originally going to have just one book in my favorites, but I ended up reading two at the same time. And so right now I am reading Dan Brown's Origin. If you guys have read other books from Dan Brown, like The Da Vinci Code, Angels and Demons, Inferno, The Lost Symbol, Origin is the latest one. This actually came out in 2017. I had no idea. One night I was just thinking, man, you know what, I really haven't read another Dan Brown book ever since I read Inferno. And I was just like, well, let me look into it, see if there's any news about a new one coming out. Well, came out in 2017 and I just didn't know about it. So now I finally have it. I'm reading it. I'm not very far in it, but I always love Dan Brown books. I love this one too. And so if you guys are interested, I highly suggest it. But I would suggest starting with Angels and Demons, because I believe that was the first one in the Robert Langdon series. I don't know if they actually call it the Robert Langdon series, but it's the books that have Robert Langdon as the main character. And he is a professor at Harvard, I believe, and he goes on these adventures. He's kind of like in Indiana Jones, but going after information instead of artifacts. You know what I mean? So he's really cool. I really love all of the books that Dan Brown writes that have to do with Robert Langdon. There's been other books that he's written that haven't been about Robert Langdon, and I haven't really given them a chance. I'm sure they're great, but Robert Langdon's character is just, I love him. My next favorite is China Rich Girlfriend by I was gonna say Evan Kwan. It's Kevin Kwan. And I read Crazy Rich Asians. I saw the movie. I really love the book. The movie was okay. I did like it. I think that if you didn't read the book, you would absolutely love the movie because it was a really good movie. But I like the book better. Of course, the books are always better, except for in The Shining. The Shining, oh, and Lord of the Rings. The book was probably really good too, but I just couldn't read it. I tried. I couldn't get through that. But the movies for Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit are awesome. But yeah, I couldn't read the books. And The Shining, I did read the book, but I like the movie so much better. Anyway, really good book. I'm a really big fan of it. I can't wait to finish this one and start reading, what's the next one called? Rich People Problems. Like, this book is actually better than the first one, and sometimes sequels don't do as well, but I like this one better than I like the first book, and I love it. I don't want to put it down. Like, I stayed up until I don't even know what time last night just reading the book. And there's certain books that you just don't want to put down, and these are two of them that I am obsessed with at the moment. And that's everything. Those are all of my April favorites. I keep on forgetting what month it is. That's not good. But yeah, those are all of my April favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around for those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!